little bit nervous when you do it, and then it launches and it's like, got nothing to worry about. So it needs a little bit of trim, it's climbing still. Alright, that's pretty right now. So 2200 4S on a rather windy day, and we're going to bring it down.
And that's how windy it is.
Yeah, the socks are basically 90 degrees. Look at that, just cruising at half throttle there. Up. It has, even with the 2200, it has enormous vertical. Now throttle off. It just holds so nicely. And now we're going to do a full throttle pass with the wind to really see how fast this thing is. Here we go. Still climbing a little bit under throttle. So I might just give it a bit more down trim. There we go, that's a little bit better. Let me try that one more time. Throttle off as we go past here. Nice and low, look at that. Man, this thing tracks so nice, even with this wind. Throwing it around. Show the top a little bit. Full throttle against the wind. Going up, we're going to do a big loop. Come back around again. Alright, we're going to go deep on the turn. Come around and show the top. There it is, look at that beauty. Man, these hocks look so nice. What a scheme.
30 seconds.
Now our timer is set for my 1500s. We have a 2200, so we can come in after the timer. It's not going to be a problem.
20 seconds.
And we haven't been going too hard with it. One more time with the full throttle. Alright, we're going to make an approach. Swing it around. And we'll come in from the north side. Alright, easing off on the throttle there. We are on idle. Ooh, a little bit short.
Wow.
There we go. 30% actually.
That's
so
amazing.
3.7. So that's about 4-minute flight.
That's pretty much storage.
So that's ready to be put away.
So this guy's next.
I can't quite remember where the battery goes on this one. In the Hawk, it's all the way back. With this one, it's not quite all the way back. So let me just check my CG. Not that bad. Probably could go. Actually, that's probably all right.
That's the windsock.
Yeah. It's not ideal, but we should be all right.
Good luck.
launch is so nice.
So this is back to back, isn't it?
This is back to back with the Hawk, so tracking so nice. Heaps of vertical as well on this one. Throttle off pass. This thing slices through the air so nicely. Very, very similar to the Hawk.
You're very confident with this one, aren't you?
Yeah. This tracks so nicely, this one. It's just locked in. Even with the crosswind and a strong wind at that, there is just nothing that really stops this thing from having a good time in the air. A bit of showmanship there, a little bit top. We don't have rudder, so I can't exactly do knife edges and compensate. It all has to be bank and yank. I'm going to go up at the end and do a loop. You can see the plane getting turned around by the wind without the rudder to really straighten it up. If I'm going to be honest, I'd say that this tracks slightly better than the Hawk. But we're really splitting hairs. I mean, if you like a sports jet, the Avanti is definitely the one to go. I would say that this is better than the Viper. By a good margin. Not that the Viper's bad. But I mean, we love the Viper. We've been flying the Viper so much. But having flown the Avanti, this is definitely better. If you like a scale look jet, then the Hawk is the one. I will be getting the L39 as well. And I'll be curious to see how that goes, because that'll have, I think it looks like it's got shorter wings, but I'm not sure. But I'll be very curious to see how the L39 goes.
That's also arrows?
Arrows, yeah.
Okay.
I do have a T33, but I've not had good luck with the T33. I don't know if mine's a bit of a dud or if something's not right, but I'll sort that out at some point. But the Avanti and the Hawk are just flawless. They are absolutely brilliant jets. So let's see if we can come in and land this guy. Come around there, cut throttle. We are on idle.
Beautiful.
There we go.
Nice work, buddy.
Beautiful. Love this jet.
29%?
With a 4-minute flight, total flight time.
Wow.
So
Efficiency about the same, basically.
efficiency about the same. Vertical about the same. I think we're really splitting hairs between the two as far as how they fly. Because the same power system, same everything. Now keep in mind that with all of these, I'm running a 50 amp Hobbywing Skywalker V2 ESC in each one.
Okay.
The first thing I do with any of these models is I rip out the stock ESC and put the 50 ampere in there.
Yep.
It's not that the stock ESC can't handle it, it can, but these just unleash a little bit more power. And we've proven that.
Yeah, we have.
Because you had your Viper
exactly.
with the stock ESC,
Definitely better.
and I had mine with the 50 amp, and you could see the speed difference. But yeah, flight characteristics, very, very similar. I think this one definitely feels a little bit more locked in. It tracks a little nicer. But like, you really have to fly them back to back.
Back to back. You're not going to know
really
otherwise.
know.
Yes, exactly.
You're not going to pick it otherwise.
No, no. So there you go.
They're amazing jets.
Two awesome jets. Oh, that one's going to be coming home to me soon, I think.